Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the best skills to unlock in Arc Raiders in 2026 so you can survive longer, loot smarter, and dominate your raids. So I don't have Arc Raiders currently installed in my PC, so I'm just going to tell you about it, that how to do this. So basically, if you're new to Arc Raiders, skills are extremely important because they shape your playstyle. Choosing the right ones early can make a huge difference in how successful you are. So first, let's start with survivability skills. Your top priority should always be staying alive. Skills that increase your health, stamina, or damage resistance are must have. These let you take more hits and escape dangerous situations in a game like Arc Raiders where one mistake can cost everything. Next up are mobility skills. Anything that boosts sprint speed, stamina regeneration, or dodge efficiency should be unlocked early. Mobility gives you the power to reposition quickly, escape enemies, and outplay both machines and other players. Faster movement also means safer extractions. Third, go to weapon handling skills. These improve recoil control, reload speed, and weapon stability. With these unlocked, your shots become more accurate and your combat becomes smoother. This is especially useful in intense fights where every second matters. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more arcade tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.